Number 2, we have to draw and label the tape diagrams this time. So we're kind of doing this backwards. So here is the key to drawing good tape diagrams is to not finish your rectangle. So I'm just going to draw some this way, leave it open, and I'm doing sixths. So I'm going to say this is a sixth. I'm just going to do equal boxes and not try and make it come out even. I'm just going to keep going until I get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so all those are sixths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I need to label them. And I should shade them in. And altogether that equals 1. There we go, did the first one. Okay, B, this time we are going for 4/5, which means I need a rectangle with 5. So 1, 2, 3, need some more space. 4, 5. But I am only doing, let's see, I'm doing a 1/5. And I'm doing one of these little guys, 2/5. And a 1/5. And I'll shade in my 1/5, my 2/5, and my 1/5. So it all comes out to 4/5. I did not fill up the whole thing this time. Letter C, 7/8. So I need a tape diagram with 8. Eighths are pretty small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need some more space. 6, 7. Okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. 8. Okay, and we're doing 3/8. There's 3. And another 3/8. 1, 2, 3. And one more 1/8. And I better shade them in. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And the 1. Now we're on D. More 8ths. Oh, but this time I'm going to have 11/8. Give myself a little more room. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I need to make a jump of 7/8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A jump of 1/8. And a jump of 3 more 8ths. 1, 2, 3. And this is where I should figure out what 1 is, because on all the ones up above, they showed me on top how much 1 was. So 1 whole would be 8 of them. So I'll say that much is 1. So now I can tell that besides 11/8, I can also call this 1 and 3 more 8ths. Okay, we are on to the last page. 12/10. Oh man, we gotta draw tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, still went past it. And we're talking 6 for the first one. I'm going to shade them in as I go this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2. So I've got 6/10 and 4/10 and 2/10, which equals 12/10, but I better figure out where 1 is. So I have to have 10 of them to get a whole 1. 6 and 4 is 10. So there is 1. And then I've got these 2 more. So this is also equal to 1 and 2/10. 1 and 2/10 is a mixed number. 12/10 is an improper fraction. All right, now I've got to do 12ths again. No, not again. 12ths, it's going to be even harder. And I've got 15 of them. This is going to be huge. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's my 1 whole. 13, 14, 15. Okay, and we are doing 8/12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 3/12. 1, 2, 3. Plus 4/12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Label them down below. That one was 8/12. This one was 3/12. And this last one is 4/12. We already know it's 15/12, but let's figure out how many wholes it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So right here, like we said, is 1. And I've got 3 more. So this is equal to 1 and 3/12. Okay, G. We have 1 and 2/3, which equals 1 plus 2/3. All right, so since it said thirds, I know we're talking thirds. 1, 2, 3. There's my 1. And then 1, 2 more of those guys. And you know what? I'm going to add my last third. It's not going to get shaded, but it makes me feel better to have a whole since I went over. So I've got my 1. And I need my 2/3. So 1 and 2/3. This time, let's say, what is the improper fraction? Well, we can count it up. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those thirds. H, we're on to the last one already. And I'm going to move, like, since I've got space, I'm going to do it down here. I'm talking 1 and 5/8, and I need 8s this time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my 1. And then I need 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 1. 8/8 is 1. And they want a 1/8 and a 1/8, 1/8 and 1/8, and then they want a 3/8. 1, 2, 3. So I've got 1 plus, not 2/8. They separated them up. 1/8 and 1/8, and the last one is a 3/8. We know that altogether this is 1 and 5/8. We could also figure out this is 8 eighths, 9 eighths, 10 eighths, 11, 12, 13 eighths. So this is also equal to 13 eighths. Okay, there you go. There's lesson 1.